Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you how to empty Clipboard Android to keep your copied data private and organized. Cleaning out your temporary storage is a great way to remove old links and text snippets, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to tap into the search bar of any app to open the keyboard on your screen. This action triggers the input interface where all your typing tools and hidden clipboard features are located for easy access. Step 2 is to tap on the small boxes icon shown on the right side of the keyboard toolbar. This menu button opens up a variety of specialized functions and shortcuts that allow you to customize your typing experience. Step 3 is to tap on the small clipboard icon, which is found within the expanded options menu. This is the specific area where your phone temporarily stores every piece of text or image you've recently copied or cut. Step 4 is to tap on the small pencil icon located at the top of the clipboard window. Clicking this icon enters the edit mode, which is necessary for managing and selecting multiple saved items that you no longer need. Step 5 is to tap into the circle on each piece of content to select it for removal from your history. This allows you to pick exactly which sensitive or outdated snippets you want to clear out while keeping anything important. Step 6 is to tap the delete icon shown in the top row to permanently remove all the selected items. Performing this final action ensures your history is wiped clean and helps maintain your digital privacy on your device. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.